Hello, my name is Matthew Holloway. I'm CEO and co-founder of Qbot. Welcome to our labs here in Wandsworth, London. Qbot's goal is to use robots and AI to make it much easier to retrofit insulation to our buildings. Why? Well, the UK has many old and inefficient homes that are cold and draughty and difficult to upgrade to modern standards. The company was founded 8 years ago during a particularly challenging retrofit where we were installing insulation under a suspended timber floor. We had to remove the floor while squeezing insulation between joists and then put everything back together again. We thought there must be a better way, and so the idea for Qbot was born, to use a robot to spray insulation remotely without the hassle and disruption of traditional methods. Our robots record each install, making the process fully accountable. We applied to the Queen's Award as we'd seen what a positive impact it had had on previous winners. We're therefore incredibly proud to be included amongst such a prestigious group. We hope the award will build awareness of our solution and its benefits. Most people think of double glazing or loft insulation when they consider energy efficiency. But compared to double glazing, Qbot saves more energy, costs less, eliminates drafts and noise. So why wouldn't you consider it? With recently announced government incentives, the payback is reduced to just a few years. The Queen's Award recognises our innovative solution and all the hard work our team have put in to get us here, robots included. If you would like to find out more or organise a survey in your own home, please get in contact for further details.